offering 的最个好像大的，可是迄个 idea 就是讲是你若是种你要爱有 when you want dried fruit, it has to go through a lot of heat. It has to go through intense heat in order for it to be dried. And actually, when you dry fruit, the sugars intensify and it actually becomes sweeter. So through suffering, through difficulty, sometimes what you bring before, what you present is actually much sweeter than fresh fruit. So there is this idea that we compare ourselves a lot. We compare ourselves with what other people have. Some people have more, some people have less. And when we look at our own plate, it might not seem like much, but through your experiences, through your suffering, through whatever you've been through, the food is actually sweeter because it's been preserved.
我是咧安尼想啦吼，I mean, the guy on the right, I mean, he present many beautiful fruits, but he even doesn't want to show his face. And the guy on the left, okay, he wear Japanese kendo uniform, and he seems he's like a very sincere guy, and he just do everything according to the norm, and he offers 3 fruit. And the guy in the center, I mean, he's kind of sorrowful what have I done wrong, but actually in the process he has accomplished so much, but still he doesn't think he has done enough. Okay, that's my taking for this painting.